Assalamu alaikum guys. I'm your online tutor Hasnan Khan from YouTube. Today we will learn about the Python escape sequence, that how we print escape sequence as a normal text. So let's start. First you write print function and write some code between them. I write Python is very popular language \n in the world. So \n escape sequence work. Go to the next line in the remaining part of the code. But if we want to behave as normal text same as written, so what we do, I can write small r before code, run it, shift plus F10. Now you can see that Python is very popular language \n in the world. So here \n not go to the new line. So I can give you another example here. I can write $t. Now we run it. You can see here Python is very popular language \tab in the world. So you can see the difference between that escape sequence run as normal text, not go to the tab position or other things. Thanks for watching.